Without whose contribution this MOC would not have been possible. He was the man behind the execution of this MOC. I will take this opportunity again to thank New Government, Minister of External Affairs, Minister of Home Affairs, and the Minister.
It's wonderful to see you. Secretary Chaturvedi, who's described our purpose today so well. It's good to see you. Chief Secretary Mehta.
Two objectives. Our first objective is to improve the quality of food production, and second, augment the mutton production within J&K to the extent possible.
Ms. Jacinda Ardern believe in shared commitment to promote ideals of democracy, peace, and prosperity for the people. Despite turbulent events of global pandemic, since the last 2 years, there has been almost seamless continuity in India-New Zealand relationship. Now expanding our relationship further, New Zealand G2G, the well-known public sector entity headquartered in Wellington, has entered into a cooperation agreement with Jammu Kashmir Union Territory, crown jewel of India, to encourage collaboration in the field of sheep husbandry, capacity building, technology transfer, and training. I know since its inception in 2014, New Zealand G2G has been actively partnering with other Indian entities to leverage expertise and solutions for sustainable development. Friends, New Zealand, having the highest density of sheep per unit area in the world and best technical solution, is now acquiring new recognition in sheep milking.
Our team has achieved a lot in agriculture and allied sectors in last 2 years. I will not go into details of agriculture and horticulture. I will confine myself in 2 minutes on animal and sheep husbandry only. Even in animal husbandry, sir.
For giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on this particular memorandum signing occasion today. Thank you very much, sir.
Fruitfully. Vaccination front, we have achieved 100% vaccination. We are one of the leading state. Today's MOU on now time is for sheep husbandry, sir.